Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator on Meta Quest 3. First, ensure your gaming PC is ready for virtual reality. You'll need a powerful graphics card, like an NVIDIA RTX 3000 series or AMD Radeon 6000 series, and at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. Next, download and install the Oculus PC application. Then connect your Meta Quest 3 headset using either AirLink for wireless play or a high-speed USB-C cable for a wired connection. Once your headset is connected, open the Oculus PC app and fine-tune your settings. For the best experience, set the refresh rate to 90 Hz and adjust the render resolution to a comfortable level, balancing visual quality with performance. Then, launch Microsoft Flight Simulator. Inside the game, go to the General Options, then the Virtual Reality section. Here, you'll select your Meta Quest 3 as the primary virtual reality device. Now, let's optimize the in-game virtual reality settings. Begin by selecting the default virtual reality graphics preset. From there, make incremental adjustments. Focus on render scaling and cloud quality first, as these significantly impact visual fidelity. If you experience stuttering, consider lowering the terrain level of detail and object density. Finding the perfect balance between stunning visuals and smooth frame rates often requires a bit of experimentation, so take your time. To truly elevate your virtual reality flight experience, consider investing in a dedicated flight stick or yoke. These peripherals offer far greater immersion and precision than a standard gamepad. For wireless users, a robust Wi-Fi 6 network is crucial for a smooth AirLink connection, minimizing latency and visual artifacts. Finally, explore community-made tools and guides for further performance enhancements. Get ready to soar through the skies with incredible realism.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.